We will now discuss how we should do demo trading. Until we succeed, we must achieve success in demo trading.
After that, we have to achieve success in a real account. Now, why do we have to do demo trading? In demo trading, you have all the functionality and features of the live market except your real profit and loss. You can develop a more objective trading plan in it. Your trading system, because there is no profit or loss, so greed does not come in between. You can follow the basic logic. So now, how long should you do demo trading? Okay, at least until you become consistently profitable. You have to take this vow with yourself that I will do demo trading until I can develop a solid profitable system. Once I have done that, then I will stay on the real money line. Before that, I will not trade my real money and will develop a solid profit system for demo trading and demo trading. You have to take this oath that I will not lose my money. I demo trade and develop a profitable system before with real money. And you place your hand on your head. I am smart and patient. Forex traders do not open a live account and consistent trading profitability on a demo account. Understand this. If you are patient, then at least if you don't have patience, at least do demo trading for 1 month. Then we will discuss how to develop a trading plan in demo trading. The second thing is that during that time we need to focus on one currency at a time. The nature of each currency pair is different. If we don't focus on one currency, a strategy works on one but not on another. Now, how will we differentiate between the two? Which strategy to focus on, which not to? So we will do multiple pairs. We won't be able to develop a system. So we have to focus on one currency pair unless and until you become consistently profitable with one pair. Do not add another pair. And now choose better, use pair title spreads and less chance of slippage, because initially your extra cost compares much better. Then you need to focus on developing good habits to enhance your trading process. Initially, you should not focus on profit and loss. Your focus should be on the trading process. Here the focus on the trading process will become certain. You will know whether you are doing it right or wrong. Now, a doctor or engineer goes to university and he is studying in university. His focus is not on making money. Of course not, man. He understands that, or I have to go through the required period of learning. After, I will make you see the trader needs to understand that when I will develop a plan system that will be consistently profitable on demo trading. So I will make you, but I have to go through the process of making that. Now the biggest question, the biggest problem is what? Now the world asks, can you get rich in Forex trading? The answer to this is that you have to keep your expectations realistic, because on an average small account, you place large lots. There are benefits and drawbacks to it. So you have to maintain your realistic expectations and understand this. And Forex traders, and we do mean all Forex traders, lose money on some trades. Because brother, if someone had 100% ratio, then I wouldn't be sitting here in front of you with this course. I was going to have dinner with the famous Trump. Now, why am I not involved in business? Because the reality of trading is you can have a win ratio of 60 to 70%, but having a 100% is impossible. This is not possible. This does not exist in the world. Oh, if you chase this, what will you do? You will ignore those strategies that are giving you a 60 to 70% ratio. So because of this, the people's expectations are wrong, and that 90% of people lose money in trading, lose all their money because they have no planning, no training, no discipline. They haven't created a trading edge. There is no trading system. They have no understanding of money management. They never think that we will incur a loss. They always think of profit. We traders, we are traders. Risk management is about some understanding that we will incur a loss first, profit will come later. Then if you always have the habit of being perfect, I should get perfect entries. If I trade, it should go directly into profit. I should not incur a loss. This thought comes to your mind. You cannot manage them, so you cannot trade. And remember, trading is not for the unemployed, those with low income who need to pay rent, credit card debt, or cannot afford to pay the electricity bill or to eat. Trading is absolutely not for them. It's okay if you can't make a living from trading, especially if you put pressure on trading, because we need to understand that the market is not an ATM machine. The market will give us trades. We will develop a trading plan, a trading system. Under that, when trading signals are generated, we will place trades. If a signal is not generated, we will not place trades. If we impose our needs on the market, if the market does not give us a signal, we will force trades without logic because we need the money. So what will happen is that the market will take all the money you have, you will incur losses, and your account will become zero. It's gold. And because it moves a lot in trend. If you come into Forex and man, as a beginner, you made some money with lucky trades, then you might think that all traders in the world make a lot of money. But understand this, success is for a very small percentage of traders. So the problem is that many new traders come with misguided hope and realization. They come with the expectation that they will make a lot of money, but in reality, they lack the discipline needed to make money. They do not want to learn the art of trading. They do not want to learn the skill of trading. Just want to make money. Basically, trading is less. If we do that work, we will make money. Our focus is on making money. We don't learn the work. So, of course, the doctor who didn't spend 4 years in university hasn't learned medicine. If you take him to the operation theater, the patient will definitely die. Similarly, if you haven't learned the art of trading, the trading skill, what will happen? Your account will definitely be zero with 100% guarantee. No doubt that a guess. Yes, gamble. If your gamble worked and you withdrew your money from trading, from now on, you can go on with the trading date of this game. But obviously, when a gambler gets a lucky break, places a bet, he has money. He doesn't quit gambling. He invests the money, loses all of it. So trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. What is the reason for this, brother? Because, brother, the level is higher. The level at which we make more money. But when more money comes, more money also goes. So we need to understand that this market causes more losses for us.
We are trying to earn money from whom? Basically, when we earn, someone loses.
If you're winning, someone is losing, and the other party that is against you are institutional traders that have 20 years of experience, 10 years of financial education, and the highest tools that give them data in the highest algorithms and programmers. They make trading programs according to strategies that help them make money. So we are 1% against a team of many and highly qualified people, time qualified self. So how do we make money in this environment? We have to work time hard. Thank you, peoples. And it is important to understand that in trading, it's not just about learning skills. You have to control aspects of your psychology, develop discipline. You have to control your fear, because if our account has ever gone to zero, it is only and only because of us. When new traders' accounts get wiped out, it's only and only due to their own mistakes or qualities, especially high leverage. I would say new traders should not even touch high leverage. Keep one-to-one leverage. So you will learn trading. We discussed that it will take time to learn this. You will work hard, spend time, and do hard work. Consider it as an art of work. Then you will say that there are no side effects. Anyway, no need to learn. Everyone is talking nonsense. I can do it. I am special. Understand the market. I once went as a trader and made so much money. The second time I went as a trader, I made so much money. So that is all bullshit, and you will become bullshit. So it's better to do what just focus on trading. If you cannot focus on trading, if you cannot control yourself, cannot stick to expectations, my advice to you, instead of wasting money just trading, and if you want, you can donate the money that you are going to waste in the market, donate that money to the academy, so we can keep educating the masses so they don't lose their money and actual trading.